Siemens covers not only the commercial sector, but offers solutions for private use as well. The Synco Living Home Automation System is designed specifically for the residential sector and controls heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, as well as lighting, blinds and other types of equipment conveniently, depending on demand. As a result, up to 30% heating energy can be saved. Also, the newly introduced consumption data acquisition facilitates simple and fast readouts of energy consumption data via M-Bus. This allows to read out that data directly from the central apartment unit or via the internet, either periodically or on demand. To become familiar with the system, Siemens offers starter kits for the control of radiators. They enable users to save heating energy in a clever way, be it in old or new houses or buildings. The starter kits contain a wireless room unit and radiator control actuators. Thanks to very accurate radiator control within plus or minus 0.2 degrees Celsius and innovative functions, heating cost savings of up to 30% are achievable in apartments, depending on the building's construction and the type of heating.